Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Ulster University Blackboard account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Ulster University Blackboard account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for Ulster University Login Blackboard. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page, and over this page you can tap on the first option which says Blackboard Learn. After tapping on Blackboard Learn, now you can scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find this option which says Login to Blackboard Learn. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that option, now you have to tap on Login using SSO. After tapping on login using SSO, now you can enter your email address, phone number or Skype which you have used to link with your Ulster University. So I would like to use my email. After entering your email address, just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you can enter your password of your Ulster University. After entering your password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your Ulster University Blackboard account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just simply reset or recover your password by tapping on forgotten password, and then create a new password for your Ulster University. After creating a new password, come back to this page and then enter that new password that you have created, and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your Ulster University Blackboard. After tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your Ulster University Blackboard account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your Ulster University Blackboard account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.